Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the October Sew Sampler box to share with all of you. I have not looked at any spoilers yet. I know that some people got their boxes like 5 days ago, so maybe you already have seen the spoilers, but I have not. So let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. So here we have the insert. It says ColorFALL, like colorful, ColorFALL. And this is obviously for October 2024, as I said before. There is a free Sew Stitchy coaster set with a $50 order. That's super cute. Okay, and then there's also a free pattern. I'll go ahead and show that to you as well. You can go ahead and click on that link. That's for everybody, not just Sew Sampler members. I really hope this lighting works out, you guys. My ring light actually died last night. I tried to film last night as soon as I got my box, which is like 8:00 p.m. last night. And yeah, my ring light died. So here I am in my sunny living room, and hopefully this light shows enough of the features of this box, and if not, I deeply apologize. I'm gonna be ordering a new ring light for the next video. Before we dive in here, I did pay $45.53 for this box. I looked it up before, so I didn't have to scramble through in this video. So let's go ahead and see the contents of the box, which are found in this little foldable insert here, and the prices of each item. Okay, first we have this item. I really hope you guys can see this. To me, it looks really dark. So we have this first item here. This is a 6-pack fat quarter mini bolts. These are by Paper Pieces, and I've actually gotten some of these before in the Paper Pieces box, which is called the Quilty box, 4 years ago, I guess. They did discontinue that box, but these things are awesome. Here, I'll go ahead and show you the back as well. So you go ahead and put fabric on here. Anyway, these retail for $5.98. It says the fat quarter mini bolt fabric organizer by Paper Pieces is your new best friend. It's sturdy enough to tame your fabric chaos, yet small enough to cozy up on your bookshelf. Each mini bolt is a dream for fabric pieces under a yard. Just fold, tuck one end into that slot, all right, and wrap away. Get ready to fall in love with organizing your fabric one mini bolt at a time. Okay, awesome. I'm excited to have more of these. So cute. Okay, so it says acid-free, archival quality, and recycled materials. This is so far an awesome box, you guys. So here is a fat quarter pop-up pattern with hardware. This is by Sew Organized Design, and it retails for $13.98. Look at that lighting. I am so sorry. I really hope that this brightens up for you guys somehow in the editing software. It says, say goodbye to a messy scrap bin and hello to style with the fat quarter pop-up pattern and hardware by Sew Organized Design. Select your favorite fat quarter, use the provided pattern and hardware, and create a stylish new home for your scraps that easily folds away. Look how cute these are. I hope you guys can see that. And there's like a metal wire that goes on the top, and it looks like maybe the bottom to kind of hold it steady and upright. And then it looks like you can kind of store it away as well. Fold it down and store it away. So this is really handy. I actually don't think I would use this for scraps. I throw my scraps on the floor. I think what I would use this for is actually clips, or maybe not pins, but clips for sure. Especially when I'm doing binding, I like to use those, what are they called? The clover clips, and then I'll just like stick those in there next time instead of just throwing them next to my machine. Next is the sticky scissor sheath, which is actually missing from my box, and it's by Utah 3D. Sew Sampler got it first. Okay, so Sew Sampler got it, but it looks like maybe it'll be available on the Fat Quarter Shop's website, just not right now. I will go ahead and link all of these down below as well if you wanted to follow the link to purchase some of these items on your own. But this retails for $5.48. It says the Sticky Scissor Sheath by Utah 3D is your sewing sidekick. This pint-sized powerhouse keeps your thread scissors snug and secure right on your machine. Stick it with the adhesive backing in the perfect spot and voila, your snips are always at your fingertips and never in the way. Say goodbye to lost scissors. Can you guys see that? There's a little sheath there. It says, I think it said it was 3D printed. Is that bright enough? Okay, and it looks like it's just for little snips too, not for larger scissors. Okay. Okay, not here, but that's okay. Next, let's go through the fabric. I like to save it kind of towards the end. So here, okay, we have some of my favorite designers here. This is Chelsea and Sherry for Moda, and this is Laguna Sunrise. I will go ahead and go through this fat quarter bundle for you. And if you don't want to see me go through all the fabric, which some people don't, and that's fine. I see you guys scroll through in my data analytics. Anyway, I will go ahead and put it up here or put it up here, whatever is more convenient. So yeah, it says, why settle for dull autumn hues when you can dazzle with the Laguna Sunrise Fabric Collection by Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics. Bursting with vivid colors and striking patterns, it's designed to energize your creative corner. With playful pinwheels and lovely florals among its offerings, the set of 6 fat quarters leaves lets you taste all the splendor. Okay, it retails for $24.98. I just love everything that they put out. So this is all really cute. See that? Actually, this one kind of reminds me of the strawberry lemonade pattern. I'm gonna go check that out. I have the entire collection downstairs, and this print really looks similar to that. I feel like this print is so cute. I don't know if you guys have seen, there's like a smiley face quilt pattern. I feel like this would be really cute for that like 90s themed smiley face quilt. Let's see. Okay, we have these. Okay. This is like a really nice taupe color. Oh, I like this. I don't think well, yeah, I guess I have seen pinwheels. Sherry and Chelsea also have pinwheels in their strawberry lemonade collection, but this is really cute too. Okay, next here we have the Splendid quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop. It's really cool actually. I'm not really a big fan of Fat Quarter Shop designs sometimes. I find them to be somewhat boring. I mean, they're obviously easy though if you're a beginner for sure, but I find them to be a little bit boring, but this one has some interest. This retails for $9.98. It says, when it comes to this dazzling star-studded quilt, splendid is the only word that fits. The Splendid quilt design excels at highlighting lively colors and striking prints in a grand star motif. Use it alongside the Fat Quarter set included in this month's box. Limited finishing kits are available at fatquartershop.com. I'll go ahead and link below if those finishing kits are still available. I'm not sure. So this looks like it's a 59.5 by 59.5 inch quilt. Here's the requirements. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to say, so September and October has been probably my busiest quilt season ever in the 4+ years that I've been long arm quilting for other people, and I've got some really cool quilts, so I figured if you want to stick around, I'll go ahead and insert that at the very end so that you can see what quilts I've been working on. There's some pretty cool ones in there. All right, I gotta hide these instrucciones, okay? So we have this Peaceful Baskets quilt along block number 7. All right, feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. This sampler quilt draws a traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Baskets quilt patterns will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop. Retails for $4.98. Okay, this is kind of like our block of the month for the Sew Sampler. In April, we'll get a new one. In March, you'll get kind of like the finishing instructions for this quilt. All right, I've already said I'm excited for the next one because I think it's been 3 years now where I didn't really like the quilts that came along. The last one I liked was, it was like a berry, it was like, I don't think it was berry baskets, but it was some kind of like berry quilt. It was really cute. Was it now like, maybe it was like berry fabric. I don't know, it was really super cute, and I do have that quilt kit downstairs and I haven't even started it. So that's it for this month's box. Let's go ahead and total this up and see how much I personally saved. You might have saved $8 additional to what I've saved because I paid for that shipping, that like express shipping, even though it's not really express. All right, let's go ahead and total that up. Okay, so this basket, I was just looking at the baskets, Peaceful Basket quilt. Anyway, this box, it came in at $65.38, which is one of the lower boxes. Usually it's more like in the 70s, 80s, I think, from my experience in the last almost 6 years. Anyway, so $65.38, and I paid $45.53. So I only saved $19.85. Like I said, if you don't pay for that express UPS shipping, then you saved $27.85. All right, I think my favorite item in this box is the fabric. Of course, like I said, I love Sherry and Chelsea. I love their patterns, I love their fabrics. I think that they're just awesome. Let me know what your favorite item is down below. I'd love to know, and stick around for that montage of quilts that I've been working on this month. There's some really cool ones in there. And also, I do wanna say I'm getting back to the scrap bags next month. I'm hoping to start, well, I want to finish because we have 2 or 3 more scrap bags to go for the last round, and then I have a whole set of scrap bags that we're going to start voting on as well. So stick around for that at the beginning of next month. All right, I'll see you guys all later. Stick around for those quilts. All right, bye everyone. Have a great week.